Listen to Pally, the contestants, please listen to Pally.
Let's go.
That's effective.
Come on, Ed. You got it. Come on, guys.
Back up, you guys.
It's hard. After the first 5 bites, it's pretty tough to get down. Yeah, it forms a roadblock. It stalls you out. But if you can keep it going, but just don't eat before the contest. That's all I recommend.
2 big bites, swallow it, and after that, just look at it halfway, munch it down, man.
Check your tickets. 6731024.
My name is Paul Steele, and I'm the Isleton Spam King. The Spam Festival was first formulated 22 years ago. 22 years ago, we had a massive flood here in Isleton, where we had a levee break, and all the people that live in town had to evacuate to the Hotel Del Rio. When they went back to their homes, the only thing left that was worth a hoot to eat was cans of Spam. Now we have 3 different events: a Spam cooking, a Spam eating, and a Spam throwing contest. But there will only be 3 people getting trophies today. And if you get first place, your name goes on our big trophy called the Spamly Cup. And it's kind of like the Stanley Cup, you know, but we use Spamly.
They actually call me Spamela Anderson. I help coordinate the Spam Fest. The most serious event that we have is the cooking contest. I think there's Spam cupcakes, Spam spumoni, Spam chili. The other ones haven't said what they were having, actually. I think they kind of keep it a secret, because then when the judges are walking around, then they come in and that's the first time they ever find out what they are having.
Hey, I'm Deanna, and I got my 2 other cohorts here. We're the Lodi Housewives, and we made our $1 million dip with Spam chips. It's delicious. It originated from Neiman Marcus. That's where we get our $1 million from. Maple Spam cupcake with a maple frosting and a chocolate dipped fried Spam.
Oh, it's delicious. He took the Spam and caramelized it with brown sugar, maple syrup, made it crunchy and crisp, and then incorporated it into the 3 layers: pistachio, cherry, and chocolate, all homemade.
Okay, these are Chi-Chi's Tiki Tacos.
You're going to have a clipboard. Tell them your table number and what you're making.
Okay. Take Spam out of the box. So there's Spam on the inside and Spam on top.
First place. The winner is number 1. Number 1.
Whoever wins their heat goes to the finals. If you make it to the finals, you're guaranteed a trophy. Okay? It'll be 3 heats. 3 trophies. If you 4 cans. Okay, same rules, you guys. Remember that? Okay, you can take 1 foot forward to catch. This foot cannot come off the line.
All right.
If it comes up, you're disqualified. But you can go back as far as you want to go. All right? Okay, you ready? Set. Toss.
Yeah.
Back 20 feet. 10 feet.
Back.
Come on, Andre!
You guys have all got a trophy coming, but let's see who can be on the Spamly Cup for 2020. There you go. Ready and set, toss. Big one. Good.
That's a long way, man. There you go.
Tell Ben to come in. Wait.
Throw it high, throw it far. We knew we could step back.
Yeah,
but you can't step
forward.
Exactly.
And what did it feel like catching this slimy thing?
Slimy.
It's disgusting. I think I got some in my beard. You got some in your hair.
I got some in my mouth.
Ah!
For the first place, Brent and Reese.
Give them a big round of applause, please. Thank you.
I'll be signing up.